positivity, motivation, never settle for average. You know how we do it. About to take a stroll down Cannery Row. Supposed to be a lot of cars turning up here in a little bit, and I want to give you guys a sneak peek so you can see how it goes down in Monterey during Pebble Beach Car Week. Stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe, share the channel. A few Lambos on Cannery Row, chilling. It's not an official Cannery Row event, but they are having people with exotics park on Cannery Row. That's a bad boy right there, McLaren Senna.
Save it on your iPad.
That's AMG GT, looks bad too. I like the blacked out grille and everything, it looks mean. So this is actually the Black Series. I've never seen one of these in person. I heard that they're a waiting list to get these things. Nasty. And then the Senna. You guys already know what this is about. 1.2. Then you got a GT2 RS, and GT4, GT3, 430, Huracan. Just a little something going on. So you had a few Lambos out here, a sick Aston Martin Senna, a Black Series AMG GT, and that was actually a 458, my bad, on the Ferrari. But nonetheless, a lot of exotics showing up on Cannery Row, Monterey, Car Week. It's going down. I don't know what the hell that SRT had going on with it, that Grand Cherokee, but that thing sounded wicked. What up? How you doing? How long you in town till? Sunday. Sunday? All right, I'll catch you. What up, brother? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Fuel Rock in the house. All right. that's Cannery Road, you guys, out here in Monterey, Pebble Beach Car Week. Usually it's a lot more cars because they allow them to shut down the street, but it wasn't going down this year.
I'm good.
But
Yeah.
they still showed up anyways and did their thing. Shout out to the fuel run. Shout out to all the other little rallies that came through here. And hit that like button and share the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Big Herc 916.
How are you?
Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.